Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about which of the following are the sections of mental status examination. In mental status examination, there is general appearance of the patient. There are different sections. One, general appearance of the patient. Second, speech and language of the patient. Third, mood and affect of the patient. Fourth, perception of the patient. Fifth, thought and cognition of the patient. And sixth, we have higher mental functions. So all these are the main sections of the mental status examination. So in the options, mood and affect, speech and language, and cognition, all these are the sections of mental status examination. Thank you, and thank you for watching.